Welcome to the JC Catering location at St. John Vianney High School at the Lancer Cafe. Every day, students and faculty attend the Lancer Cafe for their lunchtime meals, as well as afternoon snacks and even early morning breakfast. JC Catering begins every day by preparing the meal preps for student athletes. These meal preps consist of rice, selected proteins, and selected vegetables, and can be pre-ordered the day before so that you can come in and get your lunch as you wanted. Every day after school, Charlie preps the dough, and in the morning, he begins making the pizzas. He makes up to 12 to 20 pizzas per day, and teachers could even pre-order the pizzas for special events that they're having during the day. There are different varieties of pizza slices. For example, some days we have penne vodka pizza, some days we have buffalo chicken pizza, we even do pepperoni pizza. So for any of our pizza lovers out there, you could always get a slice from JC Catering. Another everyday option at JC Catering is different varieties of chicken. We offer chicken nuggets, chicken tenders, grilled chicken, and even spicy chicken nuggets every day whenever you want them. They could also be sided with French fries. Along with the everyday options, JC Caterings makes sure to keep a new and refreshing list of specials to order throughout the week. These specials include anything from pulled pork sandwiches, to burgers, to quesadillas, to mac and cheese, and even Charlie's famous penne vodka sauce, which we had the pleasure of being able to watch him create every day while filming this. There's no better way to end your meal than with one of Charlie's freshly made chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are available every day at lunch, as well as the snack cart, which contains all of your favorite candies and chocolates. JC Catering provides St. John Vianney High School students and staff food and smiles every day. They are a cherished member of the SJV family.